What's up, boys and girls? I thought I'm gonna do a little garage update video since nothing else is happening and I'm doing a lot of other things at the minute. It's getting there. It's not looking too shabby. I mean, RX-8's found its home. MX-5 is gonna be up. And one thing I'm gonna do is do the light, because this light is bugging me big style. Because when I move, it's got like shadows and things like that floating over. So I bought absolute ton of these things. And the beautiful thing about them is you can either use them with a little cable, as you can see, or you can plug them in and use them that way. And the idea is have a line going up there, probably one higher up, and then do that, and one line here. And if they're any good, I'm gonna get more of them, way more of them. And slowly but surely, I've been fitting everything out, putting some cool stuff on shelves and things like that, like wheels and 3D printer stuff, super old bits. That's a Q70 Infinity bumper. I don't even know why I've got it, but yeah. Then like checkered plates from drift cars and things like that, chrome mini bits, lights, and rest of the stuff is sort of piled up, as you can see. 86 is in here, Scooby's in here. Alright, let's fit some lights. Alright, so I've got the first light in with the Euro, but I've got an adapter, and it's like that. And I can put them in chain, so I'm going to do them all the way and probably lower down as well. I have like 2 rows and see how it goes. Getting some failures already. I mean, 3 don't work. It's either me doing something wrong or it's these. Well, I got them for a really good price. You can always message them back going, like, some of them don't work, send me another set, and I'll be buying more to outfit all of this. Okie doke, so the first row's on, and we got this. Let me see. We got that. How is it looking? Yeah, it would be pretty good. I'm thinking of putting one below that as well, so you got 2 lines. Looking from here, it's not 100% straight, but yeah, it'll be alright. I think one of the holes is slightly a couple mil higher. No, it's good. No flickering, nothing like that. And as it comes to the cars, that looks pretty good. I mean, as you can see, you come out further, these lights are on, and you got a little like shadow walking along with you. But no, this is good, I like it. Alright, get second row on, and then try it again, or even 2 down. We'll see what's what. I'll figure it out. So this is it. Has the lights. Obviously 4 of them are faulty, so they're missing from there. But in a grand scheme of things, I like it. And I ordered some more, so set the bay up, and this will look cool. Even now, if I take that one that doesn't work off, and probably take a nice picture. Well, the lights are on. Turn the big light on as well. Still got a bit of a line going on. Dimitri's here, trying the 86 bumper on MX-5.
Yeah, I don't think that would make it crazy looking.
See?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that. What if we turn the lights off? If you turn the lights off, does the thing happen still? On a camera, look. See the shadow? Shadow's just walking around. Well, I like the new light. See? So the big light's off. It's not too shabby. I'll be filming from here. I'll be filming from here, and it's good. See? It's the big light on the top. That one there. That we don't like. Well, sign's gone up for the garage. First one. Of the banners and stuff. Alright, next up we got backwards engineering. We've got the second set of hinges here for the BBQ, the barbecue.
Stan's barbecue.
Stan's barbecue. Well, idea is, obviously that one's going to go like that, right? Fold it, hold it, hold it. And I'm thinking, bolt this one to that, and then it comes out that way, even more.
Well,
piece of wood.
This one gonna open it. It's gonna go that way, so it should be like, isn't?
Ah, whichever way. Well, this way.
Because when you
open,
this
one.
Because when you open it, lifts up and it goes there.
Oh, it goes that way. There. This one.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Yeah, it goes that way.
Because you give me the one which opens the other way, no?
Yeah. So it opens that way. You can actually bolt it somewhere further up as well.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah.
If you wanted to, like there.
Yeah.
And extends there.
All of the holes matches. So.
And then I need a piece of wood by that thing. I'm probably going to measure a piece of wood and go to whatever home, whatever.
Yeah, but when you're gonna
shop.
be making it, don't just put screws straight away. Drill with the drill first. So,
yeah.
Because if you're not gonna do it, you're gonna spread the
I know. I know. So I think next stop is the shop. I'm going to measure how big that is. Ideally, get something bigger. And that's going to be our little table. So basically, that comes out, yeah. That comes out, and then you release the other one. Yay! Double action hinge. My genius is brilliant. So that's basically two coffee table hinges in one. Alright. And once you take it to the barbecue, barbecue is going to be lit now. So that one goes that way. That goes there, doesn't it?
Oh, I think to be honest, it's more better if you're gonna leave it that way, so all of that stuff is on the inside, and you can make it wider table.
Do we actually need wider? I don't know. I don't think we do.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, so that comes out. And that comes out.
Yeah, it's banging if you're gonna screw it to that. Cause
yeah, so I think mark the holes there, drill them, bolt it down, and be done with it. And on the top, just do anything from the beginning, maybe pallet pieces. Genius! Alright, let's go and find something to mark this shit with, drill, go from there. So, the mounting holes drilled on both sides. Now I have to re-drill these, slightly bigger. These are bolted on. Hinge is nearly there. Then I just have to figure out what to put on top. For now I might just get something like this. Cut them down, bolt them down. They'll do. Atmosphere demolisher. Got it. Got it. Probably have to do The bottom one's bigger as well. I'm pretty sure we have to. Nope. Peachy. So this is gonna be either cut out from the video, or we're gonna call Dimitri genius.
Right,
Let's see. We spread them out and then reuse some old pallet wood from body kits. Essentially slides in there. That one comes in there as well. Allegedly. It doesn't come out. It might actually be alright.
No, if you're gonna bend them down as
Yeah,
well.
no, you're gonna bend them down. No, the big question is if it's gonna close.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's play with that a bit. I'll get back to you guys. Right, so we're going to plan B. Plan B being, we thank you very kindly to one of the pallets for sacrificing his life for our wood. You know, that's the plan B. And oh, one hand that didn't work on the other side. So it comes out that way.
Is it better this way then?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Is that better? Oh yeah, it's better that way.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Our grill is now workable, and it's your waist height essentially. So you come onto it, you go blah 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 blah. Nice. Stow away.
Stays there.
Yeah, and we can actually use this bit storing our sauces, drinks.
Sauces.
Yeah, that sounds good. How's that? How's that? I think on that note, garage updates are done. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Ciao.